So this is how you create a Doodle meeting. So you go to the create a Doodle. Then you will type in your name, your email, and invite your participants to the meeting. So, for example, you. Times, let's say today's the 8th. Let's do it at 1 o'clock. 12:45 to 1:40. Create invite and continue. Let's see. Share invite. Share this link. I would either copy this link, send it to them through a communication app, Microsoft Teams or whatnot, or I could just invite people through email. Let's see, yeah, that would be about it. After they join, then the meeting would just start at the scheduled time.